guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya. I'm so happy to have you here. I'm a little bit more bubbly and chirpy today. That's because I have been doing a lot of sleeping. I decided to respect my body and its desire, and I hope you will do the same thing and don't end up being like me. So I'm a bit more chirpier going out this morning. Guys, do remember to look after yourself. Your body is the Lord temple. Thank you for engaging with me in the comment section, and for those who recently subscribed to my channel, I appreciate you. I love your content. I love everything that you guys are doing. Let's continue to be supportive one to another and share each other's channel. Tell a friend and your family, because support is the key. Building a community is the key. Okay, stay aligned with your faith, with the Holy Spirit. You know, do not, everything that we're doing, we need to get the Lord involved in it, right? Because He's a source of all things. Let's not get carried away with other things, but let's be reminded that without Him, things are impossible. Okay, so we need Him. But yeah, today I'm feeling a lot better, and it's time to go. I may have a chamomile tea today, so let's see. Now, this is the last few days before Christmas, where everyone, the office, you will have less people because people are going off really early, and some of these people are not coming back until January and things like that. So you guys remember that I received a Black Sheep coffee voucher as part of my Secret Santa. Yeah, so instead of getting a coffee, I'm gonna get something else. So, because I'm trying to cut back on the coffee shenanigans. Sorry. Yeah. So, so let's just see. But yeah, 2 more days, and then I'm off.
Very quiet today. I don't care, baby.
Good luck. See you later.
Good luck. Bye. Hello, Tanya.
Yes. Hi.
Hi. Okay.
It's just the hands. It's quite personalized as well. It's got my name on it, Tanya. Is this my Christmas present?
This was Japan. The Japan is my
From Japan. Oh,
Yeah.
great. Oh, yeah, because you did well, did you? Thank you. Her hair is a bit messy this morning, so she's not in the mood to be filmed. Yeah, so she did went to Japan the other day for your holiday, right?
Yes.
And she's telling me, this is not English, this is Japan. I'm like, okay, well, I already see that. I can't even pronounce what is on there. So a little bit of present for Tan Tan. Thank you so much, honey. Are you here tomorrow, babes?
Yeah.
Good. Because, you know, we need to say our goodbyes before we break up for the Christmas. Yeah, so that's it. You look so good. You look good on the cam.
Oh, thank you.
Are you going to get coffee this morning?
Yes, she had to give me Christmas coffee.
Christmas coffee.
Yeah.
I'm at my next station, which is Clapham Junction, which is very, very busy usually, especially during the peak hours of the morning. But now it's a bit earlier, so it's fine, and I like it like this.
To your journey. The 0755 South Western Railway service to Hounslow is delayed. We're sorry that your journey will take longer than planned.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Willows Triangle or early. You will need to
I haven't been over Black Sheep in a little while, but the voucher is going to bring me there, meaning I don't have to pay. So yeah, I'm going to see what they have there that is not coffee wise, something that is actually beneficial, quite healthy. So I'm going to use a voucher and I will go there. I don't think the guys have seen me in a very long time. They probably don't even remember me. They used to know me by... Oh my god, I have not seen my lovely... She's going to help me to select something, okay? Yes, go on, yeah.
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate?
But we can add something to it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want some gingerbread in your hot chocolate?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I love your earrings. They're very nice. Gosh, yeah.
And what size?
See how helpful she is, okay? Yeah, so what size?
What size?
We're gonna take a medium.
A medium?
Yeah, that should work on a Monday. I don't, you know what? I don't like the milk that I like. It's raw. I don't like that one. Oat milk then?
Oat milk?
Yeah, let's do oat milk. Yeah.
And gingerbread inside.
Make it festive. You okay, sweetie? Yeah.
We
Sorry.
also have a triple hot chocolate with chocolate with cream if you like that.
You know what to do. She knows what to do. You know what? I think I haven't downloaded the app because of the storage that was on my phone, but I promise I will do it next time.
Okay, you go.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm actually not going.
You're gonna turn me away even if I take out my card. Ooh, she's got my back like that. Which one? What did you do?
This in the center.
What, that one? What? This one? Did you put it there? Oh, it's actually quite cute with the candies. Oh, is it? Oh, actually real candies too. Oh, well, I don't want to take it out. Well, I'm gonna take it out. Yeah. The voucher.
Yeah, that will work.
Yeah, that will work. Yeah, great. One thing that I can tell you with Black Sheep Coffee Shop, they're gonna put the ingredients. So even this chocolate, it's packed with flavor, and I can taste the ginger and every single thing. They don't hold back. They really don't hold back. You can't go wrong with Black Sheep, I'm telling you. You can taste the ingredients. I just want to say thank you guys for your continued loyalty and your support, for engaging with me in the comment section. I really appreciate it. Obviously the journey was not easy coming home, but the good thing is that I am home, and that means more important, right? And being at home safely. I was going to stop into Black Sheep and get a cup of ice, but honestly I didn't. I'm getting as a certain habit.
So you have to.
But there's nothing wrong with ice. It's just a habit. Great. So, should I put the camera on you?
For what?
I knew she was gonna say that. For engaging with me in the comment section, do remember to continue to share and tell your friends and your family about my channel, and I do the same thing as well. I don't know about you guys, but I tend to also share your videos when I watch it on my WhatsApp status, and people actually do go and check it out, honestly, because you're quite curious, because I'm gonna post something that means something. Do you see what I'm trying to say? So I just want you guys to know that I'm putting it out there, and do remember we've got a thumbs up button as well, so yeah, you can give the video a like as well. Okay, but yeah, that's today's shenanigans, and dinner will be served. What do we have going on over here? That Scotch bonnet pepper is looking amazing in the pot. We've got some chicken here. Mommy is chefing it out. Honestly, when I walked through the door, what was my face like? Because the train was cancelled. You didn't know that, right?
No.
I couldn't even bother to call you to tell you. Yeah. And you've got lovely rice here with some greens. Ooh, that looks good. That looks good. Ignore the steam, y'all. Oh my god. Looks a little bit faster in here. Great. Thank you. Mother's knows best. No, it's not that. It's a mother's knows best. Listen, it's from Tango.
Oh.
Yeah, it's from Tango. This is obviously like some lovely stewed chicken, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Oh my god. You definitely know that I'm the queen, right?
Of course.
And I should be treated like one.
Like, this is Tanya, Queen Tanya. No, Tanya, you left to come home and see the pot on the fire, don't you?
Yeah, I didn't even have lunch today. It was not on point. Yeah, definitely. So yeah, I love the way you cut up your bell peppers. Yeah, it just looks very nice, quite chunky. Yeah. And I actually thought that I ended the video, but I've already opened this box, but it's such an amazing feeling to come home and I got like a gift. And can you imagine a lint? Yeah, it's lentil, a nice chocolate, and yeah, and I love the Christmas card as well. It's so cute. It says Tanya, Merry Christmas, lots of love. I won't say the person's name, but she's an amazing lady and she's always there for me. Actually, I worked with her before. My birthday and every single thing is always there, and it's quite nice and thoughtful to come home and get a little gift. And this is not a little gift, but to get gift, you know what I mean? Like everything is so important and such a bad journey, but this actually, yeah, top it off. It does top it off, right, Mom?
Of course.
Right, I'm gonna put my Christmas cards.
All right.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Okay?